The US economy is hanging on by a thread. Major banks are flashing warnings. Inflation is eating away savings. And many high net worth retirees, people just like you, are quietly shifting their portfolios into something you won't hear about on the evening news. It started with stories like Mike and Sharon's from Scottsdale, Arizona. After retiring from 35 years running a successful plumbing business, they had over $1.6 million saved in their 401k and IRA accounts. But when banks started shuttering regional branches and the Fed hinted at rate cuts despite rising prices, they knew they had to make a move, and they weren't alone. According to Bloomberg, the US is on the verge of its most aggressive de-dollarization shift in history, with countries pulling away from the dollar, and fast. That kind of macro shift has ripple effects, especially on retirees whose nest eggs are tied to paper-based assets that depend on confidence in the dollar. Mike said it best. We worked too hard for this money to see it erode by inflation or mismanagement. We wanted something real. So they rolled over $472,000 from their IRA into a gold IRA, physical precious metals, stored safely and legally under their retirement umbrella. No, not some gimmicky coin collection. I'm talking IRS-approved gold and silver, solid, tangible assets that don't vanish in a stock market crash. And here's the thing. This wasn't about chasing some new trend. It was about removing risk. Because even if you've got $1 million portfolio, it's still vulnerable. Stocks are volatile. Bonds are weak. Banks? Questionable at best. But gold? Gold has a 5,000-year track record of holding value. When everything else drops, gold holds. You probably already feel that something's off. Maybe it's watching prices soar at the grocery store. Or maybe it's just the quiet whisper that the system isn't as stable as it used to be. Either way, here's the truth. Protecting your portfolio doesn't require panic. It just requires action. And it starts with one simple step. Right now, qualified American retirees with $100,000 or more saved in an IRA or 401k can get a completely free gold IRA guide. There's no gimmick here. No free silver coins. No pressure sales. Just a real one-on-one educational call with a specialist to walk you through how it works and whether it makes sense for you. That's exactly how Mike and Sharon started. Just a 10-minute call. That conversation gave them the peace of mind to take back control of their retirement. And that same peace of mind is available to you today. So if you've worked your whole life to build your retirement, protect it. For yourself, for your family, for the legacy you want to leave behind. Get your free gold IRA guide now and find out if a gold IRA is the smartest move for your portfolio. Because the next wave is coming, and those who are prepared will be the ones who sleep best at night.